James Palms here. So today I'm just checking out, doing an update here. It's like a 10-month update from the time we put the seed into the soil. From the first video I uploaded was December 3rd. So today is Friday the 13th, September Friday the 13th, 2024. So yeah, it's been, it was actually last year, like December when we put them in there. So yeah, maybe it might have been November, but nevertheless, coming up here 10 months, 11 months from the time we got the seed from the grocery store. So I figured I'd do a little update here. This is the bulk of the growing season. Got a few of these little spots, likely due to our high humidity. This palm being from Saudi Arabia probably doesn't terribly love it. Here's a little part. I don't know whether that was a bug or whether it was rotten. It looks like to me like a bug ate that, but it's just been sitting on the side of my house here, just sitting in the morning and midday sun. This is its fifth frond, I guess. This was its first strap leaf. One of these would have been its second. I think this would be its second. This wider one here would be its third. This is its fourth. And this one had a little bit. This would have been from all that rain in our summer here while I was gone. And now our fall here is drying out a bit. As you can see, the bottom part of this leaf here is all nice and dry. And the new one in the center, the tip was a little bit diseased, but the bottom here is looking nice now that it's dried up. We had a lot of rain this year and very, very high humidity. So hopefully they won't have it every year. But even if it does, it looks like it won't hurt it. Maybe just a little bit of hydrogen peroxide or something you could spray on it, and just shelter it from the rain. Maybe put it in more of a sheltered location. But yeah, I mean, hey, you don't have to grow it. I mean, it's obviously might not be perfect for our area. Just kind of cool. We grabbed the date from there, and we took the pit out. We grabbed it from the grocery store, like 10 minutes up the street that way. And now we still got our little palm tree here. So we'll keep you updated on this, guys. See how it keeps going. Looking good now. This is probably most of the growing season, but I'm going to bring this one in and I'll keep watching it. I'll put it maybe on my water heater somewhere where it's going to stay nice and warm all winter long, warm and very dry, and it'll probably even take off a little more then. So maybe one day it'll be in the ground here in the yard. That'd be pretty cool, but pretty neat. Got a little pit from Saudi Arabia. And so grow a palm tree, go to your yard, watch this whole video series if you want. I think this is the 5th or 6th video. So go to your grocery store and get a palm tree. If you get these dates, you have to make sure that you get the correct one. You have to make sure you ones that still have the pit in them, not it'll say like pitted. You don't want those ones. You want the ones that still has the seed in it. So yeah, nevertheless, looks great. Beautiful day today, about 29 degrees Celsius. It's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, I think, right now. And yeah, so grow a palm tree. Grow them. You can get the seeds from somewhere else if you want. Pick the exact one. These are my favorite ones. This is just a little fun side thing, and it was it was winter when I did this, and I thought, why not just go make a video for you guys, grab a palm tree seed and grow it from seed. I didn't want to do too many, but this was nice that I only had the one really to take care of, because I don't want to keep growing tons of palms from seed, but this is pretty cool. So we'll see how it keeps going. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe. Of course, if somebody's going to be in contact, maybe sometime in the winter here, I might be selling off some of these seeds. Winter, or maybe I'd wait till spring. I got thousands and thousands here, so maybe I might sell some of them. I also thought about just sprinkling them around the neighborhood, perhaps sprinkling them in areas where they could just be on their own and see if any of them take through winters, perhaps. That's the way you make cold hardy stuff. That's evolution, right? So I don't know, perhaps that'd be worth it to try. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. More palm tree videos here from Southern Ontario, Canada. All right, later.